Cooking is a process of transformation, and today we're turning raw beef and the lotus root into golden crunchy meatballs. You probably already know how to make it from the beginning of the video. Alright then, let's get into it. Step 1. Kill a cow. Of course I'm not going to do it. I'm a lovely person. My beef came from the supermarket fridge, not a real cow, obviously. Besides beef, we also need ginger and the lotus root. Okay, let's start to do it. Transformation 1. Make the mince. Grind beef, lotus root, and ginger. After become mince, add 2 eggs, Sichuan pepper, 草果 powder, salt, starch. Mix everything until sticky and well blended. Transformation 2. Make the balls. Heat the pan first and then add oil. Take a small ball of meat and slap it back and forth between your hands. This builds a nice chewing texture. Shape into a ball, flatten slightly. Transformation 3. Golden balls. Fry each one until golden brown and crispy on the outside. Transformation 4. Make it sophisticated. From the clean pan, heat the oil and add chili powder. Quickly put in boiled water. Then toss in more Sichuan pepper, 草果 powder, soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, and salt. Let all the flavors soak into the meatballs. Garnish with spring onions. Done. Meatballs exist in almost every culture, but the Zhao's kitchen version is all about the crunchy texture and sweet sour flavor. Hope you like it. Ciao.